If you work with documents in LibreOffice Writer, adding captions to images is one of those small skills that makes a big difference. It helps make your document look more professional, more organized, and easier to understand. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a caption to an image in LibreOffice Writer in just a few simple steps, and I'll keep it beginner-friendly the whole way through. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, and make sure you subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Writer document. This can be a document you already created, or a new file that contains the image you want to label. If you haven't inserted your image yet, you can add it first, and then follow along with the same steps. Once your document is open, find the image you want to caption, and click on it once so it becomes selected. This part is important because LibreOffice needs to know exactly which image you want to work with. When the image is selected, you'll usually see a border or selection handles around it. That tells you the image is active and ready for editing. Now, right-click on the image. A menu will appear with several options, and from that menu, you want to click Insert Caption. This is the built-in feature in LibreOffice Writer that lets you attach a caption directly to the image. It's especially useful if you're writing reports, school assignments, manuals, or any document where images need labels or references. Once you click Insert Caption, a caption window will open. Here, you'll see a field where you can type your caption text. This is where you write the description you want to appear under the image. You can keep it short and simple, like a figure label, or make it more detailed, depending on your document. LibreOffice may also give you options for the category or numbering style, depending on your version and document settings. If you're just learning how to do this, you can focus on the main caption text first. Type in the caption you want, double-check it for spelling, and make sure it clearly describes the image. After typing your caption text, click OK. LibreOffice Writer will then insert the caption automatically, and it will appear below the image. That's it. The image now has a proper caption attached to it, which makes your document look much more polished and professional. If you want to add captions to more images, just repeat the same process for each one. Click the image, right-click, choose Insert Caption, type the text, and click OK. It only takes a few seconds each time once you get used to it. This is a really useful feature because captions help readers quickly understand what an image is showing. They also make it easier to organize long documents and refer back to specific figures later on. So whether you're working on a report, presentation material, or a training document, knowing how to add captions in LibreOffice Writer is a great skill to have. And that's how to add a caption to an image in LibreOffice Writer. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.